Your parents never told you about the secret. Macro photography reveals nature's hidden wonders. Tiny creatures become magnificent giants up close. But behind some perfect shots hides a controversy. The ethical debate concerns manipulating fragile subjects. Is it art or deception when nature is staged? This question divides the entire photography community. Let's uncover the truths photographers rarely share. Achieving sharp, detailed macro shots is challenging. Insects move rapidly, making focus difficult. Early photographers faced immense technical limitations. They sought ways to control their unpredictable subjects. Some practices, once accepted, now spark fierce debate. The pursuit of flawless images drives innovation. But where do we draw the ethical boundaries? One common technique involves temperature manipulation. Chilling insects slows their metabolic processes down. A refrigerator or cool box renders them immobile. This allows for precise focus and perfect composition. Critics argue this practice causes undue stress. It can even lead to injury or outright death. Defenders claim it's harmless if done carefully. They believe a temporary chill ensures a great shot. Is photographic beauty worth potential animal harm? Beyond chilling, active staging raises further questions. Photographers sometimes place insects on artificial props. Colored flowers or studio backdrops create unique scenes. Others introduce different species for dramatic interaction. This creates images impossible in natural environments. The resulting photos often go viral online. Professional organizations like NANPA offer guidelines. Are we documenting nature or creating fantasy? The audience often remains completely unaware. Professional organizations like NANPA offer guidelines. Their principles emphasize minimal disturbance to subjects. Honesty about photographic techniques is crucial. Some competitions strictly forbid any staged manipulation. Other contests allow it, requiring full disclosure. The line between art and documentary blurs significantly. Aspiring photographers face pressure for stunning visuals. They must navigate these complex ethical dilemmas daily. The integrity of wildlife photography is at stake. This debate shapes the future of the genre. Understanding these controversies deepens our appreciation for true nature. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.